Good evening, respected Jayaraman sir, and
Yes.
all my faculty friends and all my student friends. One unique program where we did this program once actually when we were in doing offline class also, and today we thought let us do it in online. This program is called CAPS Awareness Program. It is not Career Awareness Program. Maybe some of you might get confused with the CAP as Career Awareness Program. Now, I'm inspired to do this program because of one beautiful statement made by my traditional guru, my PU lecturer Nirendra sir, who used to be very traditional, who used to follow high conservatism, etc. But around 2 years back, he said we need to go for aggressive marketing. I think all of you are aware. We are. I am into teaching from almost 97, 98, and CAPS we started in 2001. Marketing or advertisement. But when my sir, who is a traditional thinker, he said you need to do the marketing. I thought, oh, that thing there's a necessity to change. So 1 second. Hello, you're allowing, yeah, admit everyone. So I decided, okay, we should also do something, at least from the point of view of informative advertisement. People should know that CAPS exists. People should know what CAPS does, what is the advantage of being at CAPS. That's why we started little bit of marketing. Maybe during this online, we sent lot of posters just to tell the people that these are the things we are doing. These are the things what we are doing. So this is the reason why we have assembled here. So welcome to each one of you, all my gurus, all my friends, all my student friends, everybody. Welcome, warm welcome. And before I continue, I want to wish you all a very happy Daughters Day. Today is supposed to be a Daughters Day. So I, being a traditional thinker, I always consider my personal opinion: a traditional Indian woman is anytime better than man. So I, being a man, I accept that fact. In traditional Indian woman, very clear. I'm not talking about MG Road girls. Okay, I'm talking about Indian traditional woman. Anytime, even from the work perspective, even if she's a housewife, okay, they work better than the men. Morning, early morning, they get up before we get up, and they sleep after we sleep. So obviously, we should respect that. So a big respect and salute to all our Indian women, okay, and women across the globe. Happy Daughters Day. Thank you for making our life more beautiful and wonderful. Now, as far as this program is concerned, the today's program a short, not a very long program. So first, around 2 to 3 students will be speaking about their experience. Then our faculties will be sharing their experience. So then at the end we'll conclude. So the agenda is basically, so first sharing the thoughts. So first by some 2 3 students, identified students, then by faculties, then some other students, whoever wants to. So this includes, today is a beautiful merger of senior faculties, young faculties, senior chartered accountants, senior alumni, young chartered accountant, young students, old batch, present batch, almost everybody will be there. So we have Zoom also, we also have YouTube live going on. So whoever is listening, okay, so you can all contribute. And those who are in YouTube, if you want to speak out, please come to Zoom only, or you can chat whatever you want to convey. We will be what you call reading out. That's the procedure. And at the end, I also want to make one WhatsApp group where the committed, dedicated students of the CAPS, including the old students, alumni, where we will be sharing this information. What's happening now is, because of the information flooding from all the angle, 2 points. One is, whatever information we are sharing also, we are not able to read it. Many of us are not able to read because of various reasons. Second point is, many a time the people may think actually this information may not be relevant. Even yesterday when I sent the message about CAPS awareness program, many people thought it is a career awareness program. I started getting messages, and some people start asking what time is the program. They don't have patience to read in that poster also. That's the way it's happening, and it is acceptable. There is a today's way the things are happening in that way, so it is acceptable. So we accept it. So we want to make a WhatsApp group. So all dedicated, committed CAPS sites, you can give your names. At the end, I'll be announcing, so that we'll make one WhatsApp group. So we want to reach out to the students. We want to reach out to your friends. We want to reach out to the bosses, where we can say that this is what is happening in CAPS. Because as I mentioned in the poster also, there is no institute under the sky where all the subject, best of the best faculties will be teaching that. That can never happen. If that is the case, if you're talking about the same, it is a myth, absolute myth. So in CAPS, I don't say we have the best of the best faculty for all the subject, but we strive hard to ensure that we give the best. Even if you look at the CA final now, okay, so FR I am handling, so SFM Tarun Jagadish, and auditing is handled by Ganapat sir, and law by the great Jayaraman sir himself is handling. First group, in even second group, best of the best faculties we have. No doubt there may be one or two faculties better than us, but one important point I want to tell to all my students community. Now, we give the education at the least cost because I am from a very poor background, low middle class. We understand how the transformation is required. Second point is we need to contribute to the Atmanirbhar Bharat. I am on a serious note. So whoever is listening and understanding, I hope you appreciate this because Atmanirbhar Bharat is not going on the standing on the border of the India and fighting with the Pakistan. Atmanirbhar Bharat is basically the self-development, what our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has initiated. We need to contribute. My suggestion to all my student friends who are listening, one of you in your family become a CA, your family life is settled. Maybe around 10 to 12 people around you will grow, either because of your direct contribution or because they're inspired to do something like you. So automatically, if you contribute to 100 people, 100 into 10, around 1,000 people automatically grow. This is a big contribution you have done. You would not have done directly any contribution by giving anything, but by your growth, you are contributing to the India's growth. First point. Second point is in CAPS, as you know, we do a lot of CF activities. So one is CF humanity activity, which is happening as of now, where we're trying to help. Initially, we helped the people who have not had food. Now we are trying to help the people who have lost the job. Many people, around 40 lakh people have lost their job. And most of the low middle class and middle class people, they will be having that Atma Sakshi, why I should ask someone Anta. So we have come up with a program where we have to help them out. It's happening by God's grace in a big way. And next Kalam for Kalam project is happening in a very short period. And yesterday, rather 2 days back, I got one problem from a student. I'm very happy to listen to the problem because all those problems have given challenges to us. That girl, very good student of mine, okay, and she used to come to the CA Foundation class regular, perfect. But last one week, 1 month, I just observed she's not attending revision classes. Regular student. So I just called her. Okay, why you're not attending regular classes? We always have a general notion, sitting at a comfortable position, everything thanks to our parents, thanks to our elders. Okay, everything has been provided to us. But that girl, she said, "Sir, we are three of us, myself, my mother, and my daughter. So my sister, sorry. So my sister is also having regular classes. I am also having the CA classes, and my mother also wants to use the mobile for some official purpose. All three of us are having only one mobile at home. So like this, there will be hundreds of thousands of cases. So I am planning to introduce today one CF project called Edu Mobile. I'll be giving the details of the same little later. Basic concept is majority of us, middle class and little upper middle class family, maybe we keep changing the mobile once in 2 years, 3 years. One mobile will be lying idle at your corner of your house. Can we give that mobile to that kids? Those people can get the education. So I'm going to connect. I'm not going to take it to CAPS Foundation. So a person who is willing to give, person who wants that, I'm going to connect it. We are going to have that CAPS Foundation project, which I'm going to launch a little later. So like this, so many activities we are doing. So to start with, so about the CAPS, so how you felt, so how you are feeling, how you felt, what is your experience? So some of our friends will be starting. To start with, I think we have Kirtana. Kirtana, can you hear me? Kirtana?
Hello.
Hi, Kirtana.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, student from CPT to final. She's a present by CA final student. So she was giving some idea to me. So I thought you only directly talk here. Okay, after that, I'll introduce Niranjan. Maybe then I think we'll go to the faculties. Over to Kirtana to share your experience.
Yes, sir. First of all, good evening to everyone present here. So I'm a student of CAPS from CPT to CA final, and I was first. I got to know about CAPS after my TU from my best friend who had joined there, and then I didn't know like how exactly it works because I did a stupid mistake of I had that, I was really good at accounts and all that. PU, I'm a rank holder and all that. And I thought, okay, I'll just write my CPT. I'm going to clear it in first attempt. I'll join classes only for IPCC. And then I didn't join classes. I was so chilled out. I was so overconfident. And then I gave my attempt. I pathetically failed. And that's when my friend told, you have to join somewhere because you need that guidance, you need that push. And then I just came, joined CAPS, and the first attempt I cleared my CPT. That's when I thought, no matter how confident you are about yourself, you need to structure your life. You need to organize your life. We can't just do things on our own. And somewhere I felt I got that, constant guidance and push from CAPS. So I had a lot of friends who used to go to, I don't want to name the institutes, a lot of other places who were, I don't know. It felt more like they were only enjoying rather than studying. I don't know. I don't want to get into that part. But then yeah, and then I joined IPCC here, and I gave my exams. I cleared, and then that is when you start meeting a lot of people around your circle, and that's when they tell, "Oh, why would you go sit in the class? You're gonna, be in the CA final. You can't be sitting from morning till evening in class. There are so many recorded classes. Maybe you should take that up and write classes." Or something like that. And I don't know, for a very short span, I thought, yeah, maybe because IPCC, we did, I stay very far and I used to travel really long. And I thought, okay, maybe I should just give it a thought. But then after all that, somewhere I didn't get the guts to move away from CAPS because I didn't know if I don't know, I didn't want to make a decision at a point in life where it's really important for me. And then I just join somewhere and I mess up. I don't know, I didn't get that confidence. And then I just joined CAPS, and I didn't know like which subject who is taking, because after my IPCC, I think it was a long gap. Um, and then I didn't know who is taking what subjects, nothing. I know CAPS. CAPS is the best place. Shetty sir knows what he's doing and he'll give us the best. That's all. That it was just a blind confidence on sir, and I joined, and that's when I knew, there are so many faculties here. Jayaraman sir, oh my God, sir, your law classes are amazing. It hits me so hard. Whatever you say, it's like just sticking directly into my brain. I don't know. It just that impression is there in the brain itself. So I don't know. Even like sometimes I prefer taking it in the morning. Sometimes I take the class in the afternoon, and maybe for a minute I feel like drowsing somewhere, and then immediately a voice comes up and like, "Shit, what am I doing? I can't sleep." It's so effective. And I don't know. And when it comes to Tarun Jagdish sir, also we had so many technical issues. Maybe because it was all happening online, and even he had a lot of technical issues. And then not even a single day he felt like, it's okay. I don't know. We'll just go. So even a single student tells we're not able to, connect, we're not able to listen to you, or we can't hear, the audio is not clear. He took out time and he made sure and he ensured that all of us are there on board, and then he took us along. So I don't know. And Asha ma'am, oh, I have no words. Today I know essays completely is because of you, because I had a lot of friends even in IPCC. They didn't know even like hardly 10. They couldn't number even 10. And I used to confidently show off to them and just tell all the essays. Because I remember the first class of auditing, Asha ma'am was there, and for like starting 10 minutes, she started telling all the essays, and we were like, what is this? We didn't know anything. She's just going like a train, and then we were like, okay. And she told, it's okay. You guys also will know this in a very short time. And then I can assure, I think compared to other institutes, maybe when it comes to standards and auditing, I can assure that I'll be faster than them and I can number each one and tell. So yeah, like this, there are a lot of other things. It's not like, you're always with the book, you're studying and all that. We have so much fun here. I didn't know because I joined and the first batch was online. So when I joined, it was online. And I was actually in doubt, like, how is it going to happen online? We'll miss, all that classroom fun and all that. But it was absolutely the same. I think it was even more entertaining. So I don't know. So somewhere I feel at this point, there are a lot, because everything is gone online, and a lot of people, for articleship, like a lot of other state people who used to come here, I think they're all not here. And somewhere I feel we have to take CAPS and, to a next level where we are able to reach a lot of people, because a lot of people don't know that CAPS is doing things online and it's the same way like how it is offline. So I when sir was telling that, we have to, so this is happening, so somewhere I thought, so maybe we should, start reaching out to people in a large scale. Like, I don't know, because sir doesn't believe in all this marketing and stuff, but I think somewhere we are in a point where marketing is what is working. Everything is got digital, and more than, someone telling you should join here, you should join there. I think it's all online now. We have to reach in large numbers, and I was telling sir that maybe we can have, like, irrespective of, see, we have a lot of posters and stuff. Somewhere when it comes to me, I end up sending to, first circle of my friends. It's not like a dedicated thing that we are doing, because they don't know, we never know whom is going to help tomorrow. So we don't have that. Maybe we should take it up as a serious job and just start trying to, reach out to a large number of people, and that's why we can tell them that it's really nice, and there is a place called CAPS, and this is how we are, and I am a, proof that, and I can vouch for it that this is the best place we can come to. So I think we should seriously start reaching out to large number of people. So, yeah.
Thank you, Kirtana, for your nice words. Thank you. We'll note it down and we'll finally conclude. I think we have some brilliant, extremely great people here. I recognize and what you call welcome. L. Jayaraman sir, LP sir is there, my well-wisher. Lakshmidhar sir, my guru is there. And all our faculties, Asha, Narsimhan, and also Sri Lakshmi is there. I think we also have a family of chart accountants, like a family doctor. We are family chart accountant for them. So Padindra Gupta with the SIRC Bangalore chairman, our student from CBT final, his wife Vidya, then even Samaya, okay, Vidya's sister. Then I could see Vaishnavi there. I welcome to each one of you. So we have our old student Rachita, okay, who is a CA, who is what you call brushing her knowledge at final level. I think we'll allow Mr. Niranjan to speak. Then I will allow our faculty members speak. Welcome, sir. LP sir. Welcome. Lakshmidhar sir. Welcome, sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Namaskar. Welcome, sir. Just 2 minutes, sir. Niranjan, student ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
No, absolutely no problem.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Niranjan, over to you. Niranjan is one student. So selected 2 students. One is CPT to final CAPS. So obviously they may not know others. So whatever Kirtana told is about CAPS. Now Niranjan is a student who has joined only final at CAPS. He was not a student at the foundation and inter. So his experience he will share. Then we'll go to the other institution. Thank you. Yeah. Niranjan, over to you. Niranjan, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Niranjan. I am not a capsite from my foundation. I joined here only for finals. I took up CA course very late in my career. My early intention was to clear it as soon as possible. Hello? Hello? Sir,
We can hear you,
am I
Niranjan.
You're audible.
Audible.
Yes. Yes, I used to, frankly telling, I used to work a lot of problems in my CBT and intern, try to clear it. Concept wise, yes, I had that in my mind, but not that important. Like, I used to concentrate more on working problems and solving things so that I want to clear. But later, as I finished my articles and then started with my work, I realized that it's not going to help. Conceptually, we need to be clear. We need to have that strong base. Only then we can do it. Then one of my friend told me that you can join CAPS. He referred me. He was a CAPsite and he referred me, telling that this is a place where you will get your concept strong. You can do good. That is how I joined CAPS. And now it's been a year almost that I've been in CAPS, and now that there's a lot of difference in my career also. Actually, I'm able to do better. My confidence has grown. Where I was earlier not concentrating on concepts, now I tend to understand the concept and work. And this is a place where we get practical inputs also. Say Asha ma'am or Shetty's or anyone for that matter. They teach the theory, they give you the practical inputs also, and that really helps in our work. And Jairaman sir, his videos are like not recorded classes. It's almost like live classes. We can feel that the way he teaches, the way he gives example, the way he scolds the students over there. It's like a real class and online class. Um, I recommend people to join CAPS for this. Getting qualified is a different thing, but excelling after that is really important. And people over here, maybe Asha ma'am or Shetty sir or any faculty for that reason, they push us for that. They push us to be better than what is expected. And by referring to others, say we inform other person about what CAPS is, how it is, and if they join, definitely it'll benefit them. When it benefits them indirectly, somehow it benefits us also. So I believe that everyone should push for that. Inform people about CAPS, how it is happening. Try to be involved in that. Hello? Hello?
Sir, you're on mute.
Yes, sir. Niranjan?
Yes, sir.
That's it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Niranjan. Thank you for your nice
Thank
words.
you, sir.
See, I was trying in the CA final classes also. There is a possibility that a student who has come from CPT to final. So there's a possibility of thinking that, okay, maybe I would have joined somewhere else, I would have done better, something like that. Nothing wrong. Or maybe some people would have come from other institute, they would have also compared and come. So this program is not to do the marketing as such for the CAPS, just to tell, okay, what we are doing right or wrong. Because feedback is the food for champions. I want to know, we want to know whether we are in the right direction or not. So that's why. So a CAPS site confirming that yes, it is going well, we are happy. Not those are from non-CAPS, maybe CPT they have done somewhere else, IPC they do here, or IPC they do somewhere else, final they do it here. So it is obviously better. And we have seen good number of students, CPT they do it here, IPC they try to do. For example, CPT if they got just distinction, they thought we'll get a rank somewhere else, they join there, then CA final they'll come back. There are a good number of incidents we have. So because we know we don't compromise on the quality, because all the faculties here are committed and dedicated. They would go one extra mile just to ensure that they reach to the students in the best possible way. So from that perspective, when you're putting the efforts in the right direction, it cannot go vain. So I'm sure it's definitely happening, but still it is better when the students say this is happening right. So we have extra push to do better. Thank you, both of you. I think now let us move on to the faculties. So we have the senior most faculties. Just to tell you, we'll also have UC sir joining shortly. And also, as of now, I think we have Jairaman sir, LP sir, UC sir, Sudhindra MS, Aman, Asha madam, Nara,